Here we are again in the engine room.
We are not talking about engines.
Cool.
Talking about pens.
Pens?
Pens, bro.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah. There's no way to make this sound as cool as I think it is, but yeah. So someone reached out to us from a hashtag or an Instagram handle called Piston Pens. So they're doing a Kickstarter, and here it is. So their idea is to CNC, so they're a CNC shop, and obviously this is another little sort of side of the business that could work, but what they're essentially doing is billet engines, little model engines, where the pistons and the rods are pens. So there's 5 pens in this set. So we've taken the V10 one, so this is exclusively REPerformance because we're V10 specialists. I think CP Carrillo took the V8 one, so they showed that off at SEMA last week. I think a couple of other companies have taken the others, so I think they're doing an inline 4, an inline 4, an inline 6, a V6, V8, V10, V12. I think it's wicked.
It is very cool.
It's cool, isn't it? So carbon fibre shafts. Mate, what is it today?
Come on.
I know. With little tiny piston tops, and then focus, Davey, focus.
Yeah, I think we're there.
With our logo on the top of them, and then 5 are fake, so they're part of it, and then 5 are pens. So I think it looks mega.
It is very cool.
Yeah. So it's a little Kickstarter at the minute. So this is our set. But yeah, you should go and have a little look. Piston Pens on Instagram. Go and check it out because it is a cool idea. You can buy a pen if you just wanted a pen, or you can buy a set if you wanted an inline 4 or V8 or whatever. But buy the V10 ones because they've got my name on it, bro.
Even better. And just in time, the perfect gift.
Perfect for Christmas. Loving it.
The discerning petrol head.
Yeah, that's it. So we're going to, we'll have a chat with the guys who run this, and we're going to put it on our shop anyway. So I think I'll take a couple and put them in stock. But yeah, I mean, they're lovely. They are really nice. I mean, you can see the quality of it. Comes on a nice little sort of stand. Yeah, it's lovely. I do think it'd be popular because if you're a petrol head and you work in an office, I mean, it's just how cool would it to be have that on your desk? So when you sign the order form for your new 765, you can use your piston pen.
Yes.
So no,
that's good stuff.
I thought it'd be pretty cool, but I mean, this is just, you know. This was out of the blue. We just got reached out to with this. This is nothing to do with us. They were just like, look, we've got this idea. We're looking for companies who work with engines to get involved. I think they approached Litchfield to take the V6 because obviously they're GTR specialists. Carrillo took the V8 because obviously drag racing and NASCAR. We took the V10s. So yeah, I think it's going to be a cool little project, but. Yeah, check them out.
Link in description, etc.
Yeah, in description below. I think it's important, right? I mean, to big up or to support businesses doing cool ideas. The day and age now, everyone thinks they get taller if they pull everyone down around them, but that's not how it works. So I'm all up for showing off people with cool ideas, and I think that's wicked. So yeah. Something different looks good in the office. I just don't want to use them now. I don't want to
too nice to use.
It is, mate. It is. So
you certainly won't be lending anybody one of your pens and then forgetting to get it back.
No one's allowed to borrow tools in this place, mate. Let alone pens.
The way it should be.
No, hang on, that should be the other way around. Shouldn't it? But yeah, no, you can't. But I just thought people would be. I mean, look on the front, like all the sort of design details in it. I think it's wicked. But
cool.
Piston Pens on Instagram. Check them out.